The single most valuable asset most people in California own is their home. Passing a house from one generation to the next is the standard basis for building wealth in our country. However, there are multiple ways an individual may inherit a house, and several options exist for using this asset after inheriting a home in California. But what if you decide to keep the house? If a house is willed to you alone or passed to your control through a trust, you have the absolute right to keep it as your own. But first, you should determine whether there is a mortgage on the house. If there is, you'll need to contact the loan servicer. A home loan may be structured as 1. An assumable mortgage, which allows the new owner to assume the existing mortgage and make regular monthly payments. And 2. A due-on-sale clause, which requires the mortgage to be paid upon any transfer of ownership. Do I have to pay any taxes when inheriting a house? 6 states have an inheritance tax as of 2024. Iowa, Kentucky, Maryland, Nebraska, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania. California does not impose an inheritance tax. However, if you live in California and inherit a house from a resident of a state that imposes an inheritance tax, you could be liable for the tax. For the 2024 tax year, there is a $13.61 million per individual exemption for federal estate taxes, taxes the deceased estate would have to pay before distributing the estate's assets to heirs, according to the IRS. If the total estate is worth $13.61 million or less, the tax would not be assessed. This exemption is indexed to inflation annually. In that case, should I sell the inherited house instead? Selling an inherited home allows you to take the money derived from the sale, minus taxes and fees, and use it to invest, pay debt, or enjoy as you see fit. Before putting an inherited house up for sale, you must make sure it has cleared probate and that all obligations, like property taxes, lines, homeowners insurance, and utility bills, have been met. You need to check what is owed on the mortgage to determine whether it can be sold at a reasonable profit. If you want to learn more about will inheritance in California, feel free to contact us or visit our website.